Going in light. Get this mic set up. No, I honestly feel like she's gonna keep bouncing though. But got my friend saying she's gonna go lower, so we've been doing a little shorting. I got 2 little trades in. I'm I load up on some shorts. All right, there we go. First profit. Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, let me turn that bitch off into my headset. Alright. I hear all this white noise. There. That white noise is gone. Gone. Alright, so now we're gonna pull up the real chart. So I got a lot of charts. This is my favorite chart, whoever's watching. We're gonna pull up some crazy charts. So, not that crazy, I just got a nice. Oh shit, is she bouncing? Nah, I got a pretty nice short entry on her. So, I'll give you, so this is the Elliott wave structure if anyone's watching right now. Let's just check. 2 viewers. So what's going on right now is we had a trough. These are cyclical cycles and they kind of tie into low points and also peaks. So if we zoom in here, we had the dates of like the 4th of March and about the 6th and even like the other, and these bigger cycles have been pretty much hit so far. So most likely we've already hit the bottom, but I don't know why I'm shorting actually then. But we're kind of at a top right now. Maybe I'm going to use this as like a scalp. Not too sure what I'm doing. Let's see what my friends are talking about. It hit the fake out. Bears will fade in. Hyper potentially. Bottom hit. Doesn't bottom hit? I'm pretty sure that bottom got sniped right around here. I mean, we could continue like a little bit of a downtrend. So kind of unlikely, but what I'm gonna show you is just this is kind of my one chart. I have $20,000 price target down there, but that's for another time. That's a little bit later down the road. Now I honestly feel like she'll come back up to test these levels. Where is the, I have a rectangle right here. I honestly feel like she'll come around back there. I don't even have my EMA on. Dang. So there's an EMA. You know what? We're gonna throw on the super trends. Well, they're not really just super trends, they're a little adjusted. They use a really good indicator which you could use as a stop loss or whatever, and a support resistance. So we have this set up, and I'll show you my other chart. Go over here. This looks crazy to probably some people. So this is a Fibonacci circle, and it had like if you could focus though, pay attention a little bit. It touched up on here, we came around here, and then we've been coming and conjuring out. And this one also has cyclical cycles, including a GAN. I have GAN set. So if we come here, we kind of touched up on this yellow GAN line. Now this is more for the 9-day. I set this again on the 9 days, so it's gonna look a lot easier. And then those are cyclical cycles as well. So as the GAN falls, goes and does that. Let's check out the trade. We're up some profit right now. This were pretty nice shorts. Now hopefully she comes back down to test these levels around here, so I could get out in there. Here, let me pull up the other chart. I want to pull up less molested one, so we could just set her up the way I want. I also want a chart that is pretty accurate. So that's 582. That's 560 with 571. So this one's a little off. I really want to use one that's pretty accurate. Kraken's a pretty nice exchange. I think Kraken works almost perfect. Yeah, 577. This is a pretty nice short. Let's try and get some people in this chat. People in this live stream. I mean, it's just gonna be a relaxed live stream. We're gonna just talk about the price. So currently we have, oh, this is a descending triangle. Actually, look at this, and we have a little sell signal on the super trend, but that is not something you want to always go with. So this is a triangle. This is a descending triangle, and I'll show you guys that. How do I spell descending triangle pattern? There we go. Hey, this was a nice little short. I should have went a little heavier on it, but you know, I just started this account, so I want to go pretty light on her, build up some cushion. I probably should have went heavy. That's how I should just fucking went in. And thanks for whoever liked the live stream. If you're Cameron, shoot me a Snapchat, you know, tell me you're watching. All right. So, and this is also a pretty cool trading manager. I could close all and everything. FTMO even has them. So let's get this. So it's kind of like a descending triangle. Yeah, it just broke out. There you guys go. But now this is the 1 minute. Let's see if it did on here. Yeah. I just want to relay the accuracy to the Kraken exchange. 61, 61. Okay, this is perfect. Let's get a little comfortable here. Now these are the RSIs right here. Now I've found some pretty cool now this is Fibonacci time. So it's a pretty cool thing, and plus like I don't have to deal with setting it up, but a lot of ways people set up fib time levels is you go from like a low point to a peak. But now I really want to get this Fibonacci and everything set up for what we're gonna be doing. Now what's over here? Let's get the higher time frames watched so we don't mess that up. It does look like we're gonna have a pretty nice bounce on the 4-hour though, sadly. I don't know why I'm shorting. I probably should get out, but it might just continue on a downtrend and fall off its face from here. So that's what I'm kind of betting for. So let me get this Fibonacci set up. And I'll go from the peak to the wick to the wick. So as you can see, we touched the 0.382 fib. I want to see what it's like when we don't use the wick, because it gives you a little bit of a different answer. Still on the 382, under the 0.5 fib. I usually like going through the wick to the wick. So we're at 50.64. Ooh, that's bouncing. So I hope it distributes big. I'm setting break even stop. Now my friend's been getting smacked lately. I don't know. I'll hold these positions and hopefully it distributes pretty big. Oh, that's a pretty big bump. I should have went some longs down here. I'll have a break even. You know what? I'll close these. No, honestly, it's looking kind of weak. Let's check the 45-minute for you guys. So this is the 45-minute. I mean, I do see kind of an ascending triangle here though. That's what worries me a little bit. But at the same time, we came up to touch this resistance on the super trend, which is a really great indicator. I forget what it uses, but it's pretty powerful. So that's kind of like a triangle. You guys can see that, but I don't care too much about that. Let's check the profit. Up 40. I want to just be on the safe trades. Usually I'm fucking finger blasting lots in and out. So that's the 45-minute. I mean, it's honestly pretty worrisome that. Let's get this set up. So this is how I usually like to place cyclical cycles. Go from a low to a low, but realistically, we might have already hit the bottom. So, but we might come back down here. So based on this cyclical cycle, we had a bottom here and then kind of ran up to the middle point here, and it could fall back on its face tomorrow-ish. So that'd be very interesting. But let's get the 30-minute. Let's see what this is looking like. Has a buy signal on the 30-minute. Oh, but it's rejecting. You can see it's like wicking down. It's getting pushed down right now. I should probably have a break even stop on this. The 15-minute has a buy over there. So we had two candles like that. We had a buy on the 5-minute, buy on the 3-minute, and of course the 1-minute. And I also have a 30-second chart, which shows a lot of noise. 1 minute shows a good bit of noise, but I like looking at it. So that descending triangle worked out. I was gonna push back up. Yeah, it kind of did. So it came right back down. As you can see, you could lose like minutes worth of profit and one downs on the candlestick. What was my friend saying? If you had a break even stop on any of the last drops, you got the whole thing. Pretty neat. Now I'll show you guys some cool things. Like these are harmonics. Friend Sanctum post up on these. There's some really interesting stuff. Stuff like that. Stuff like that. Stuff like that. That. Pretty neat. So this is a pretty nice chart I want to look at with you guys. What other link will take you? I'll show you guys this. So we haven't. Oh, never mind. That's the wrong one. But you guys get the idea. There's some pretty neat stuff here. Hopefully it breaks that. Let's put some more cyclical cycles. Just jump to present. I don't know if they care about me like recording what they're talking about. I probably should have gotten out when I was at about like $100 profit. It's not really super volatile right now, sadly. Looks pretty bullish though, I cannot lie. That's like super bullish to me in my eyes. Every time I go with what my friend says, usually I just get fucked. But at the same time, I could see it dropping from here. I really could. Oh, excuse me. So this does look like a nice little ascending triangle, but it's not pushing up any higher. Here's the daily chart. Looks like it'll just push up from there. Bitcoin's pretty fucked though. Profits. Yeah, I don't want to get smacked. So let's try and drop some. So look, we could probably already say that it had a small like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. Of course, it got loaded out on some profit. Oh no, it's frozen. Expecting this to come down. So 5 minute, but for it to come down like something like that. Oh, this is super slow today. But let's look at the daily chart and analyze this for you guys. I honestly believe we'll touch about 37,000, even right here. 7,000, I believe. But we could see some, pushing up, I think. Really not too sure right now. Pretty interesting. Let's get the cyclic set up for this. Delete that. I want to see what they are right now. We go off here, here. Yes. Boom. Boom. And we hit Apex. What? I'm gonna trade Apex. Go. We literally just opened up this FTMO account today. I probably should have snagged that 100% profit. I should have some break evens. Stop. Profit. Modify. Or I don't even know this. Oh, we're having a little bounce up, but we're not touching my my points. Gotta get some more people in here. So stop losses. I mean, I could just set stop losses, like have them set. So that's 6,000 pips. Okay, and good. It tells me the profit because sometimes I don't see it. So can't even see. Sucks. Holy shit! That scared the fuck out of me. As loud. It sucks. I can't like see the See what the thing is. So profit. Okay, cool. It'll show me right there. So if I just click that one, click that one. What's the profit on that? So that would be I'll lose about $68. But we drop one of these to 36k. Where's 36? Yeah, even just right here, be pretty reasonable. So all I have to do is I think I just have to make $10,000 on this account. Isn't too bad. I definitely ain't gonna do it with these little lots, but if it does go to 37k, I honestly make quite a bit. Let's see, 37, make 2,000. So around right here, I'm expecting it to go lower like that, but I ain't gonna make much if I just got one lot. I'll make 2k, which is that's still about 20%. That's 20% of the target. Isn't bad. I might could just start dumping. Hopefully that's what happens. So now we're right here. Let's check out the 4-hour. That's a 0.5 fib. Get a buy signal. Check out the 2-hour. Got the 1-hour. Alright. Check out the 45-minute. Nothing interesting here. That was a little kind of like this was an ascending triangle right here. And it popped up and it looks like it's making another one. Well, I got my sell losses, my stop losses, so pretty safe there. Okay, there we go. Oh, it bounced actually. I thought it was dropping. Yeah. Well, I got my sell losses set. So that's 685. I probably should increase them a little bit. I'd rather take the profit than take the loss. At the same time, we could just dump like this and make some BOGO money. So the amount of pips, I want to see what kind of pips it is. So pips 68. So 10,000 pips is roughly about $100. A little O for good luck. I was thinking about some shorts right here, but I should have taken the shorts when I had them. These ain't bad shorts. I don't know how there's a gap. Really gap down. You guys could see that gap. That gap did get filled, I think, by this wick. And it's good enough. Usually Bitcoin doesn't gap. But auto trading on so I could manage the trades. Probably should have did like 5 lots. I'd literally be in like a couple $100 profit right now. That's a buy signal right there for that candle, but alright, we just had another buy signal. I might call it on this trade. I could put some buys. So 2 buys, saving me a little bit. And then I'll move these down. So if we come back down here, actually I'll move them down a little bit more. How many pips is that? 20, so that'd be 48, but then I'd be in profit with these, so they equal out. This keeps me a little bit safe. In case it does run, I have some buys. So with this fib fan, usually once it crosses the red, it goes all the way down here, but it updates, so this is like the top of the fib fan. Really nice. Alright, it looks like it's breaking, so what I'm gonna do is probably shouldn't have even taken those buys. Messed me up $40. I'd be at like 80 right now. Probably gonna hit it, so, and bounce right back up. Yeah, so it hit my losses. Hopefully it stays above it, not below it. Just keeps dropping. I was being pretty smart there, trying to hedge. I'm only up like $40 because of me buying those. But now I have a pretty sure reassurance that, alright, there's a buy signal. Might do that. And adjust this. It gets lower. Just so I could play both ways. Man, this thing's so slow today. Hopefully we fail that buy signal. That's a 30 minutes pretty strong. Go ahead, one of my my stop losses. I'm only up $27. That's a shame. I think she could bounce again. So nope. Move that a little bit lower than what it really was. There we go. Not strong enough. Give it another little buy. Move it down here. So everything has a sell loss on it. I'm gonna try and have every trade have sell losses, so I don't get smacked. Schmacked. I'm gonna drink some of my tea. This shit looks good. Alright, just smacked one of my stop losses. I'm gonna continue downtrend. Ah, gross. Hopefully I get fucked up. This thing is being shallow. See what? It's only two people. Two people watching. 2 likes. There we go. That's why you got sell losses. But I'm only up $32. Boy, that sucks. I'm only up $32. Wait, my balance is 99,882. That doesn't make fucking sense. That sucks. It absolutely does suck. I was trying to buy longs because I've ruined 80% of this profit already, and that sucks. Absolutely dongus. And there's a buy. It's gonna bounce probably heavily. Hopefully it keeps failing. It's on the verge of this, which is why it's doing that. Let's check my account matrix. Refresh. Oh, it doesn't. Damn, I'm taking $120 loss. God, that. What? There we go. It's dumping. I'm up $48. Literally where I was right there. So pretty much my things are like right here. Just is booty. Absolutely booty. Your chart matrix values will be updated with the first closed trade. Yeah, I'll show you some of my other. This was one of my demos I did. If it loads. Man, this is upsetting. My first two trades were right. I shouldn't. I want to. I just had to buy some. Just had to. I think it's gonna bounce a little bit. Bullish divergence right there. Probably ruined more of my profit. I didn't want to look at this. Yeah, this thing's taking forever. Internet's trash. Yeah, this was a bad idea to buy more. The whole time I should be short, you know? Not long. You know what? I got a good feeling. Nah, feelings is not what you go based off. So I'm the dumping. I really need to take profit on these longs. And that sell loss. Alright, I fucked myself. I'm under high conviction it's gonna have a bounce right here though. I really am thinking it's gonna bounce. We have 8 more seconds for the next candle. Let's see what MetaTrader. I really want to take some profits on some longs because my shit, damn. Now I have 1, 2. Alright, there we go. They're gonna bounce up a little bit. My shorts were honestly beautiful. Yeah, there we go. I'm getting smacked. 986. If I hit 95, I'll get out. Where's my close buy button? Close sell, close all. There's my close buy button right there. I'll buy a little bit more. I'm really under the conviction it's gonna go up. Why? Well, shit, I don't know. Yeah, it looks like we go up based on those cyclical. Yeah, this thing sucks. 470 right there, it's showing. 450. Okay, so this shit's lagging like crazy. Let's find a better chart. Binance. Yeah, and on my phone I should have yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm fucked up. 975. I don't want to take any losses. I'm expecting it to come back up to this range. To here. Looks like a gap. Alright. I don't want to hold these longs. If I hit 9.5, I get rid of the longs. Nine, 6, 8. 9, 4, 8. 9, 8, 8. This could be the bounce now. Yeah, I guess I suck at hedging, honestly. They don't know how to hedge right. Yeah, I've been opening too many lots. Like, that's way too many. Especially though, with the way I've been doing it. So my total lots is only 6. It should have been just 5 or 6 on the top up here. Now I'm down. All good, I didn't short more. And I was hedging more than I was in. I'm confused why this doesn't show. Minimum 10 trading days, max loss is 5,000. Max loss total is 10,000. Profit target is 10,000. No data available. That makes no sense. Alright, so we have a sell signal on the 3-minute. We can come back up, hopefully. Never hope in the market. Alright, there we are. We're back above the 100,000. This might be a bounce up. Our side's pretty cheap. Noted here. There we go. I'm probably at 30. There we go. Yeah, sure. I'm gonna take the profit on the longs right around here. And then, yeah, probably stop being stupid. And hey, whoever's watching, I'm pretty new to YouTube, so thank you for watching. Might just be myself watching. I don't know why it shows 2 people watching. There we go. We're in profit on the longs. Not by much though. Equity is 39. Man, that sucks. They probably snagged it. Came right up to here and dumped. Honestly, this chart's moving so slow. Might as well be on 30-second. Yeah, down 20 bucks. 30 seconds said sell. Yeah, it's been. Oh, there we go. It's dumping. Absolutely dumping. If it breaks down below there, I'll probably get out. Oh, this sucks. Might bounce right from there right now. Damn, I had some beautiful shorts. I'd be up 200 right now. Gee. That was 60. Damn, it dropped literally $200. And I was shorting. I don't have sell losses on these. I don't know, I'm being pretty ballsy. Yeah, bounce from here. Hopefully it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like 1, 2. It comes back up. I really need to get back in profit. Like I need to take like $10 each trade profit on this. So these lots are more in the range of here because that's gonna make me lose $68. But I've taken losses on all these buys, $150, so pretty much fucked myself. Nice little bounce. Alright, that's looking pretty nice. And this is just a 30-second. Not looking nice there. Trying to drink some more of this tea. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go strain it out. I'll even turn off my camera because I'm like, oh. Be right back. Oh, there's a bounce. A little bit like in a triangle. Hopefully we get a profit. Oh, there's 3 people watching. 1 second, I'll be right back on. Alright, I'm back. Alright, let me pull up my cam. Alright, so I just pulled up my mic. Alright, so for whoever's watching now, I'm kinda in a stupid trade right now. Like, I had shorted up here at the top pretty much. And I put some sell losses right there. Came down, I tried buying here, but I ended up buying some more lots right around here so I could snag some profit. Currently in profit. Whoops. Yeah, so right now we're above the EMA. We have a green thing right here, which shows bullish. I'm expecting the price to come to 39.5, right around there. Probably shouldn't base my analysis with that indicator. Here, let me set up the Fibonacci for this chart. So realistically though, we broke that turn right there. I'm gonna set up the Fibonacci from wick to wick. So we're on the 382 bounce. Now I expect to come back down to like 37,000. So I shorted a little bit. Looks like it had a 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe like 5. Yeah. 39.45. Yeah, this chart is pretty off. Most exchanges are off. Let me show you my other charts. I usually just use Bitsnap. Get back at a loss. So we hit some troughs right here. Oh, what was this for? Okay. So we hit some troughs. 39.45. 39.845 right there. Alright, so that's pretty accurate. I just want to use the best accurate chart. We hit some troughs right there. Looks like it's coming back down. Literally was a beautiful short that I did. But I could always close the short and just go long right here. Because this could be a nice spot to long. I'm tempted, I really am. What should I do? This internet's booty. I'm on a hotspot right now. So we have a short entry on the 5 minute. 0.5 fib. And it looks like a descending triangle. Looks pretty ugly. So this could be like a nice area to buy. That doesn't look too pretty. I literally had shorts right there. That makes me mad. And now we're kind of in the middle of this range, which sucks. But, you know what? What was that? I think it's going to bounce a little bit right here. Then I'm going to get out next time we touch up over here. Yep, nice bounce. Just a little bit more. I just want to short more right when I get up here. I'm expecting it to really come up to here. And right when I short more, it's probably going to go up there, which is going to piss me off. Kind of in a awkward situation right now I put myself in. This is usually not how I even trade. Like, I traded this demo account that I absolutely smashed and destroyed it. Made like 36,000 in 2 days, and it was pretty nice. Oh my god. So right now we are in a little bit of profit. $2, $3, $6. I'm gonna hopefully, I hope it bounces up more than that. I'm probably gonna plan to hold these till profit. Honestly, Bitcoin's in a really awkward situation. Extremely awkward situation. But not really. It's kind of like, this is like a bottom area. It looks like it just go back up to these levels, but it might not happen. It might get dropped. Yeah. They're taking it when I had a chance. Currently down $10 on the account. I don't know, I should have fucking slammed cells right there. What did she do? Dropped like a good bit. I'm still expecting it to bounce up around here, but long-term price targets are 37s. Well, short term. Yeah, that's like a bearish pennant. Looks like. What was I thinking? I was thinking of doing something. God, why does my shit just keep freezing? There we are, $14 profit. Honestly, should place more shorts right around here. So I'd have to close these at a loss. And right now the liquidity is like shot. The volume is like gone, I mean. Those were some big drops right there. Alright, here we go. But this is honestly like a triangle. Let me pull this up on the chart. You know, we just touched the top. Damn it. Like, I missed my sell opportunity. Yeah, completely lost all that. I really should have just shorted more right there. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. This, yeah, this thing's taking forever. Now it's bouncing a little bit. Or not. Where is the damn thing? Right here. It's probably about to just tank. Oh yeah, this is what I want to do. I want to set up the Fibonacci for this. I guess I could set it up right there, but honestly, it seems super, like, I mean, it's not bullish or bearish. See what some of these people are saying. And it doesn't matter. I don't really care. Yeah. Yeah, here we go, breaking out of that triangle. I get ready to close these. Ah, it sucks. I literally had the top of these trades. Yeah, I'd be up like 200 right now. Dude, I fucking goofed. So what I'm gonna do is give it a short right here. Not what I wanted. Probably was a bad short. Short should have been right there. This is what I wanted to check. Profit percentage. Like 0.5. Yeah, that was crazy. I literally passed, not past the count, but I'd be damn near close. Dude, this is the worst live stream. Probably just gonna end it. Pretty pointless. Not crazy or anything. Oh, I just saw your message, moldy lunchbox. Moldy lunchbox. If you're still here, my take on Bitcoin for the next 48 hours. Right now I'd say like 48 hours. That's a pretty awkward time. But so these are some cyclical cycles I have set up, and they're pretty accurate of determining the peaks and troughs. Was like, yeah, let's check out my other chart. All right, cool, you're still here. So this one, let's not use that one. Let's get a clean chart. And not this one. Let's get a better, cleaner chart. Alright, this one's doable. So let me take off the super trend. Super trend's only really good for the only thing I like it is the lines it produces above there. Really just this EMA and an RSI algo that my friend made. So Bitcoin in the next 48 hours looking pretty bearish is what I'm seeing. The next 48 hours. So we're gonna set up the fib. I'm expecting it to hit like $37,000 very soon. Yeah. Well, we just broke off that bearish pennant. So within the next 48 hours, I'd say we could reasonably see these price targets. Boom, boom, boom. Kind of like that. We'll also see the middle section and here. Kind of like this. So we've already had like a. Now we could count this as the first impulsive wave, but wave 2 went way below the point. So we could say we had like already 5 waves up a little bit. And it's question, bullish or bearish? I definitely believe it's going to be bearish. Now here's some of my friends' thoughts as well. So if you go check these out. I want to find some good ones. Like 30. I mean, I'll just show you my charts. $37,000 is really a key point, I'd say, for the market. $37,100 is I'd say is like a target. I'm pretty tired right now, but yeah, I'll even show you based on some of this cool stuff. So this is a fib circle, and these are some cyclical points, and then the yellow line is GAN. GAN is very awesome, pretty dope. I'm not best with the fib circles, but I like to try and use them. So we have like a little bit of a trough right here, which this could be the bottom, but we also have another time by March 8th. And then, so what really happens is these kind of all converge and line up to find the right trough. That makes sense. It's pretty complicated, but I definitely say it's pretty bearish at the point right now. It's I honestly would expect a little bit of a bounce lunchbox, but it's really difficult to say at the moment, just due to that's a little bit of a bigger time frame. But I definitely would say we're bearish for quite a while. Like we're gonna be bearish. March is gonna be a very bearish month. My friend Noah, actually, that's my friend, and we have this program that's worth like a couple of $1,000s that we paid for, and it predicts Hertz cycles, and March is going to be like a very, very big trough on the Hertz cycles. So we're expecting a pretty big trough this March, which it's March right now, but I have some people in the Discord talking about what are they talking about? I don't know, but they're saying we could see like I can't even think right now, but I want to find these price targets. No, that's not it. I want to find this. There's a really good picture. Sorry, I'm taking forever. And my friends use planetary action astrology to determine some times, which is pretty awesome. Oh, I want to find this good harmonic pattern. I'm not doing too good there. Oh well, but besides the point, the target prices, I'll just get to them. Oh, this shit's taking forever. Can't think straight. You're probably like, what the hell's wrong with this kid? Let's use it, Binance. That doesn't look right. Okay, so this is Bitcoin on the daily. Has a bullish run right now. That kind of sucks. Do another short. Like I moldy lunchbox. I had some shorts up here, but I fucked them up. Fucked them up bad. Trying to go long. So this is the overview of the market, and there I'll even chart it out for you. So we had a wave 1 right here, wave 2, wave 3, or wave 5. That's one way we could look at it. But what some other people look at it as is this. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're currently going through an ABC wave, which is kind of like this, A, B, C, and this goes all the way back down to the 0.236 Fibonacci generally. But if we're looking at this way, it's already touched this wave 1 area. So I'll show you these two ways to look at it. So right now this could be the bottom of Bitcoin. Absolutely could just be the bottom of Bitcoin. And we're ready to just put a 70k from here, because 70k will be the next target. So this is one way we could look at it, but the other part is the 236 is right here. As you can see, it's the 236. So that price area is actually close around 23 to 24k is a very possible price point. Kind of like that. But let me show you the other scenario of the Elliott waves, but it's the same price targets in a sense. We had wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and what's really cool on wave 5s and 4s and even 1s, you know it's a top because you have another 5 waves within that 5 waves. Now they all have 5 waves within 5 waves, but it was very apparent. They're just trying to short the fuck out of this. And then this was an ABC pattern, kind of like A, B, C, and then C always comes back to wave, not wave, but the 236 fib. So the 236 fib is lying right on the wave 1, which this is how the other scenario me and my friends are kind of looking at the daily wave structure, and this is the price target, which is about the same, 24,000. But of course you could actually even go in between, hit 14,000, or she could just bounce right now to 70k, which is pretty insane. Let's see what my friend said. Did you hit it short? Just got back tested, going knock stops and continue, I bet. Going to back test it. But yeah, I believe it's pretty bearish. Let's see what he's looking at it like. He's on his phone. Yeah, fucked up. Going short. 98, 73. Hopefully this loads up real quick. This is looking pretty bullish right now. Yeah, those long positions would have been nice to hold. Damn near screwed myself by trying to hedge. I never try and hedge. I don't know why I was trying to do it here, because this is an FTMO account right now. I'm trying to go through. Alright, so it's loaded. What was this one? Oh yeah, no, that's the wrong one. So what we're looking at is, check this out. And back tested. Yeah, it came back up a little bit. I still think it's pretty bearish. Give it some shorts. Honestly, I'm just gonna start hammering some shorts. Total slots. Let's see how many lots I'm in at. 7. So that's equivalent of 27k. But yeah, I definitely think it could be pretty bearish. So when it was at around, but it also looks like it could be the bottom right here. It looks like it could actually just, bounce from here and do something like this. But when we were at about 44k in this area, I was looking at it like, all right, we're gonna come back and test around these levels, which sure enough we did, and this would have been a perfect long. But it's honestly hard to say if it's gonna be bearish or bullish, because we're also in a bit of a trough. Yeah, definitely good to reevaluate some things. I just saw your. It's definitely, we're in a really weird situation. Like if you're not gonna be scalping or holding holding for months, and you don't want to see a loss, I'd definitely wait till we have like a for sure, like a lot cleaner picture of the market. Like this does look very clean, where it could just be that, but this looks like it's also could be a pretty big fake out. I think it's running right now. Just, yeah, but it looks like it actually could drop from right here. I'll short the things. We're definitely in a very unsure moment where we could still come back down to these levels. These are the levels we're really looking at, is this area, which we haven't hit yet, and that's about 36,700. Like those would be very nice levels, but also 38,000 to 41,000 is a decent long position, but it's also not at all. Like it's because with the my one friend who's in the astrology and all that stuff, it's pretty just due to how the market structure got slammed the last day or so. It kind of ruined the whole the bullish trend, but at the same time things always have to, like, what goes up it always comes down. Something I sent to them, pretty funny. So I'm back kind of in profit. Just had a little bit of a short entry. Honestly, I'm gonna just go big on this trade. I don't know why. Being pretty stupid. I mean, I should be just risking a 1%, which 1% is $1,000. I'm not holding those trades, so that I've been just cutting them short. So yeah, that's a pretty good short right there. Honestly, I'm probably being stupid trying to short right now. Let me see how he had this set up. So he has this as like a triangle. Did you hit it short? Let's ask him something. Let's just see what they say. Bearish or bullish? Next. 48 hours. Anybody gotta say? And they should respond, and I'll show you what they say. Cause they're very awesome traders. Damn, I fucking added too many lots. Dude, this trade better go right. But I could risk up to 1%, which is $1,000. Made me think. Like $500 I could risk ish. So right now it's probably gonna go back down. Let's go on the cyclicals. So kind of like that. I mean, if you let's see what they say. I mean, I wouldn't say you messed up in those trades. I mean, you exercise this split, you cut losses. Yeah, you're right. I cut the losses pretty short, like pretty quick. I just kept cutting them. Like like usually I wouldn't be taking 0.5 lots. I'd be taking like one lot and be like like finger triggering this. I'd be like and just fucking I'll just be going crazy on it. And I'll just like take my profit and run, and then take my profit, run, and just trade on these X's. These are pretty good pivot points. And usually I just hold the loss until I'm back in profit, unless it's like my risk management. But I definitely want to see what they say. And it's only 9:18, but like I'm exhausted right now for some reason. Been drinking some kombucha, making me tired for some reason. Honestly, I'm still so confused on his analysis for this. Doesn't make too much sense. What time frame is it? That's what I'm really confused on. But yeah, let's definitely see what they say. What time frame? That always messes with me. Is it really is hard to look at a chart when you don't know what time frame it is? It just doesn't make sense. That'll be 39.5. What are we at right now? 39.5. So it's touching the top of his trend channel actually. Okay, so we got a message. Bearish or bullish? Okay, someone texted for somewhere else. Damn. Oh, they're all texting in here. Oh, this is some crazy stuff. So, I gotta show you some of this. So, they do a lot of like these angles and GAN which is really awesome. But doesn't look like they want to say anything right now. Perishable. I really want to see what they say. Anybody got a saw? Really, like, it's looking like we're gonna hit one of those points in time where it's just gonna be a beautiful buy entry, which it's hard to say that's what it is now. Very difficult to say this is gonna be a great long position. And as you can see, we could have one day of a whole run up, and within like one day you lose all that profit, well, all those gains in one candlestick, like right there. But yeah, I'm really mitigating these losses. Like I'm cutting them like super short or whatever. But gosh, that almost looks like a magic spell. Yeah, some of that stuff is pretty crazy. Yeah, let me go back here, show you some of this. So I didn't even read this. This dotted curve shows positively that the planetary influence is what we call harmonic, meaning a wave-like motion fixed in angular position like the crystals of a snowflake, hydrogen at low temperature. So that's just like angles and waves for planetary stuff. And this is some interesting. I don't really understand this. Oh, and here's some of this stuff. These are some nice reads. I haven't read them yet, but yeah, I don't know what they're talking about there. Didn't really read it too much. I believe in the Bible though. Oh yeah, look at that. Here we go. I'm glad I took those trades. Sniped the top. I mean, I sniped. Okay, so yeah, let me show you what's pretty funny. Like, I had usually whenever like I enter a trade, I go like I throw a fucking fat ass amount and I just right in. Because I'm usually right on my trades. And then what I always mess up on my trade, that's a really good point for people not to do. Let's say you trade something and you're right. Don't go against what you're saying. Like a lot of people, they say something and they go against what they say and be a hypocrite in their own work. And it always destroys you. And also another thing is, let's say you're trading a trend and the trend is, I don't even know who did this, but you're trading a trend and you're wrong on the trend. Sorry, I had a burp. And like you're trading wrong and it's not working out and you keep losing. And then you keep going against the trend. When you realize you're against the trend, you switch the trading and go with the trend. Instead, what a lot of people do is they keep trading against the trend, trying to buy, when it just keeps dipping. People are like, buy the dip, and then it just keeps dipping. And that's kind of what has been happening for people the last few months. Now, what is pretty cool, me and my friend, it was right here. When the price was right here, kid you not, I'm not even gonna lie, price was like 60,000 something. We were telling people, hey, this is a beautiful time to sell. Get out of your crypto. People are like, no, it's going to 100k. We're like, yeah, one day it will go to 100k. But get out now, you're gonna say your ass, it's gonna hit 20k. And they're like, what the fuck are you saying? Within a couple weeks, they're like, oh shit. Like, well, within like a week, they're like, damn, it just dropped. And it bounced back up. They're like, ah, you're wrong. And then it literally touched like 29k. And they're like, damn. And then we also had the analysis. My friend specifically was like, it's gonna make a giant M pattern, which is pretty cool. Here, I'll go through some of this stuff. I want to see if maybe he could let people in this chat. Let's see what this trade is. Alright, we're in some nice profit now. 1090. Yeah, I hope you guys don't hear that buzzing that I hear. So let's go through all my friend's analysis on Bitcoin like a long time ago. Here's Bitcoin. I don't know if he posted the analysis here. Yeah, this because he didn't make this chat for a while. It appears that we are not going to see much more lows until we get a solid short squeeze here. Zones to watch out for are within 38 to 39. Okay, there could be a rejection there. If we can break that zone, I am feeling 45 to 50k is on the table. We have any more downside going to 50k does not mean that we won't see 24k. This is just a zone that market makers feel the need. So this is like a couple $1,000 program, and it shows her cycles, and it shows cyclical cycles, which is like here, and how they line up. And that was burp, and that was like a top right there. It lines up right here. Oh, it's a bottom right there, and at times you see how they're off a little bit, but then when the price gets there, it shows it's here, and then they line up. So it's pretty accurate, and it shows these. But this was when Bitcoin was at 30k. Sucks he didn't post the analysis when it was lower, but even back then he was saying 24k. Let's see what we're at right now. 307. Yeah, it'd been nice if I just held my original shorts, but good thing I made my money back. I was just going easy. Yeah, so this was when it was before it was, oh yeah, going to 50k. So he's talking about when we were here, it was when we were here. Like, so this is showing pretty good stuff. When we were in this area, my friend was talking about it, at least in these posts. So here, I'll show you some previous analysis by him. So when we were in this area, like 30k, he was talking for sure, feeling short-term bullish towards 50k, but it's not going to keep running straight up from here. We get some pullback, then find some entries. It's funny though, because July 21st was the peak I called last month. We saw that start, and yeah, it's pointless to watch. I'm not sure if you talked about the M here, the M pattern. I'm looking for either an A. Yeah, it happens to the best of us, Lunchbox. Like, buying the dip and it just keeps dipping. It's pretty difficult because it makes you just want to give up or not go against what you're doing, because not many people want to take the loss, and then next thing you know you see a bigger loss and then we take it. So that sucks. So this was, I'm looking for either a large drop off momentum around here around 50k, which will lead us ABC. We get an expanding B wave, which would be a moonshot towards 75k. Yeah, he pretty much caught that part too. But yeah, buying the dip definitely gets you where you're going against the trend and you don't switch trading with the trend and you just keep going against it. It does a toll. Yeah, I probably shouldn't have increased lot size. Should have taken the profit then increased, but damn, I got 17 lots right now. Damn near half the account. I'm going in for the biscuit. Down 93. Yeah, this thing was at profit, but I could hold up to 95,000 and be good on this account. So the daily, this is what looks really interesting. The daily, we have a double bottom right here. It very well does look bullish. Don't get me wrong. Like, there is that chance, but it's very unsure because we could do something. Where's my drawing tool? I know there's like a thing I could draw, because we could Where did that drawing tool go? Oh. Fuck. Stay in drawing mode. I'm in drawing mode, but how the hell does this work? It's not working. There we go. Dump more. So, yeah, shit, that sucks. Oh well, but I'll show you this. So, what can happen? We could literally come right back up to halfway of this, or come all the way up here. We could come up to the 618 fib, which is 43,000 again. But I'll get to that in a second. But other than that, we could probably most likely come up to this EMA, then drop back down, and if we fall below this, oh gosh, that's so ugly. What the hell? Oh, I'm in drawing mode. That's what that means. That sucks. Let me just, yeah, let's just, alright. Alright, this is beautiful now. And that is not so beautiful. So, what can happen is we could do something like this. Oop. Oop. Maybe it comes back up. I'm not too sure. And then just fucking dumps. Because something like that. Might. But this is what's interesting. So this is the daily chart, and we actually have a top that went lower than the previous top, which is bearish. And then we have this bottom go from this. We're really just in a range, is what I'm trying to say, is kind of just in a range at this point. So right now we're in the middle of the range. I'm hoping and betting on the downtrend of the range. It's pretty stupid. I don't know why I am. I kind of just went with my friend's suggestion when he said something like this. And no one's gotten back yet. Sucks. He sent this. I think I hit the fake up. Theirs will fade in now. It's a sniper potentially. Feels like it. So he was talking about he went short on it. He went 5 lots short. I'm 17 lots short right now. This is risky business. Usually I usually go in pretty big. But I get in at like a top. Now it's kind of in a weird, like, as you can see, we're in a boom, boom, like range right here. And I'm in the middle of the range, which is not optimal. I only like trading the tops or bottoms of the range. But yeah, isn't that great of a spot. When it came down here, I was up like 300, which was nice. Then some profit. Like, I want to show you my other account. This demo I ran loads. I have failed some of the demo of the things. So this one was really nice. 388 trades and just kept going up. I was doing pretty good risk management. But now, like, after I did pass, I had all these passed like on day 2, and then that same day after I had pulled this much profit, like 27. It was actually at like 34,000 profit. I went all in on like lots and just didn't really care. But my win rate was 92%. Number of lots was 450. I had 388 trades. I made 36k. So that was pretty good. My profit factor was 67. 92% win rate is pretty decent, I think. Not too bad. So I made 10,000 in one day, 16,000 in another, And then the last day I was like, all right, cool. I'll just give up. I made 1,000 and I went all in on lots. Here were some of my trades. Let's see if I can do this. So these were shorts at 42,000. I had shorts on 44,000, I believe. Oh, here we go. Damn, they're just texting on here. They're ignoring me. I know they're ignoring me. Alright, so let's look at this. Damn, that's deep. That last paragraph made me wonder what the hell would be hidden. We're gonna have to read that in a second then. I need to make sure we keep this safe because I just spent some money on this. So let's look at this. So look, I had shorts at 44,000. And then I closed them. No, the shorts were at $44,488. I don't know what this ain't making sense, but it was around 44,000. So if we look at the price, 44,000 was literally right around here. Is when I took those trades, right around there, which was pretty nice. I had sniped that top. I really wish I had an account, but now honestly I feel like I should be sniping the bottom, which kind of like going against it. But actually on the 4 hour at school we touched the blue EMA, and now we might just come back. Kind of being stupid because we could absolutely explode up from here. I'm very worried a little bit. What if we be hardcore and start a 1x1 from the 7? Let's look at this. Okay, that makes nothing. Points about Weston's paper. First, this is clearly the foundation of Gann use for the 10-year cycle and its multiples. Second, this is historically a fairly early use of Fourier sequences and far more mathematical than just using financial astrology. This is no surprise since it is well known that Gann was a very good mathematician. It is also a good source of many of his ideas that market movements follow geometrical rules. Give this a check. It is also alright. So this is it's not a demo. This is like an actual, like I haven't passed this account yet, but it's like an actual FTMO challenge. So I just spent like $600 on it today. So I did have some money attached emotionally, but at the same time, you can't be emotional. No emotions, just a robot. So yeah, but ooh, maybe they're texting now, but and I failed a couple to be honest. And this free trial, this was a demo, and that one I absolutely killed. And I wish that was real money, but the motion usually does play a role. It always does. It's just you gotta get better at not letting it play a role. Now this one I really don't want to mess up. I was originally gonna just play like one lot at a time, and now I'm revenge trading on the bottom because I think that was also emotion. And as long as I don't blow my risk and I play this one smart, I should be just fine. So let's continue reading this. Oh, this is dumping. 99.8. Excuse me, I keep burping. I hope you guys don't hear that. Oh, and I just kept entering at these tops. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what I want to see. I'm so glad, and thank you, Moldy Lunchbox, for sticking around. And also, like, if you have Snapchat or something, you can always message me on it. It's Henry Pinero, or even message me on Discord. Now I'm trying to make a Discord for Zaza trading. I haven't made it yet. I mean, I made it, but I haven't really set it up. But this is my Discord name. Where is it? Oh, here's my Discord name. It's Panero Bread. So if you want to message me on Discord with questions or like some charting stuff, I could always shoot you messages. And there, I think it's a 0. So there it is. These were some of my chats with my friend. The cyclicals are pretty accurate. It is pretty nice. Hopefully this keeps dumping because I want to get just back in profit and just they call it. But this is an FTMO challenge. It's a prop trading firm. You never heard of it. And MetaTrader and Forex. This is pretty much Forex. It's binary options, and it's pretty cool stuff. I think so. Now I've been trading binary options for a little bit, like a year, but I've been trading stocks and crypto for like 3 years. I've always been interested in it since I was like 17. I made some good money on AMC and some other stocks, and then other than that, like yeah, let's check out some stocks. What's some stocks you want to look at? Moldy Lunchbox. I'll look up some socks if you want me to look them up. I'll look up anything really. Just pass some time. Just message me whatever kind of stocks you're in or you're interested in me looking at. I definitely check them out for you. Yeah, that's not too bad. 3 viewers. Pretty happy. I don't know. Oh, you don't follow stocks? Yeah, honestly, one thing, when I started stocks, I wish I was just in crypto, because I was telling my friends, like, I actually made a video on YouTube about crypto. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I'm pretty bad at this. So, crypto, when it was like 20 grand or something, I was like, this is crazy. Everybody go buy crypto right now. It's crazy. It just passed 16k. It's at 20k. Go buy. And it was just like, I don't know. I just wish I had invested in crypto sooner. Instead, I've waited so long. Oh, this looks pretty ugly for me. So this is Bitcoin based on that circle. You got any cool cryptos you want? You let me check out. My grandma's calling me, but kind of busy. I'll call her in a little bit. Yeah, I feel bad not answering it. It looks like we are having a breakout, kind of. This looks a little bit like an ascending triangle, which worries me. But I'll risk 2% on this trade. I even have a calculator right here. So 100%. I don't know. I just always like seeing. I know 2% is like 2 grand. But I mean, I'll risk 1%, which is 1 grand. and then that'll keep me in the trade longer, which could net me bigger profit. So this is actually what I'm looking at right now. This is pretty interesting. Something like this right there, and something like this. We're just in a trend. I'm in a channel, so it's not really bullish or bearish. It's kind of just in one of those awkward, annoying situations where it's, if you're not like scalping it or holding for a while, not worth it. Let's look at XRP. Ooh, XRP. So this one's actually really interesting because XRP can make a lot of people a lot of money, but it's gonna hit and then I'll look at that. It loads. They don't want to screw this up. This trade's gonna make bank. So this is XRP. I think this is one I've already done analysis on. My friend did analysis on it too, so we'll check that out first to see. God, I keep burping. I think we did XRP on this. No, he didn't do XRP. Me and him like talked about where XRP's headed, and XRP will go pretty high. That's not the right one. Let's use Binance. But at the same time, it's gotta come down a bit. And also, TradingView, I just posted something like this. Elliott patterns, but it doesn't really work. It had it kind of right there. Let's try and find a chart that does have it. Time frame that does have it. I really don't want to get smacked on that trade. I want to smack the trade. I'm already down 0.5% pretty much overall, like 0.3%. So I was like, okay, yeah, that makes sense. That's 2018. All right, so this is XRP. Yeah, let's not look at the daily chart. Let's just look at the, not the 9-day. Let's just look at the daily chart, pull down the Fibonacci, and let's check out where the price is headed at the 236 fib. Okay, this looks like an ascending triangle, which could pop off. Don't worry, I'm letting XRP load up. Man, this sucks. Internet sucks. They're probably all like, just don't talk to Henry. That's my name. Like, don't even respond. Okay. This is XRP. Quit loading. So 236 is gonna be basically probably around this price range. About this range, I could see the price headed towards. And let's pull it down on the fib from this lowest point. So it's already actually bounced on the 236. A lot of the altcoins actually have already touched the 236 and bounced from that point, but Bitcoin hasn't. So what generally could happen is XRP could come down lower here, and I can pull up the Elliott waves. What the fuck just happened? Alright, cool, it's dropping. Sorry, this is really shitty internet right now. I'm on a hotspot. But long-term price target, well, shorter term, but long term, XRP could see about 50 cents, I think, is the price that me and my friend had talked about. So 50 cents. But this is where this is where you're gonna make the money. This is when you hold for the $5 XRP. You hold for that $3 to $5 XRP. That's $3, and the next 2618 fib, the next 618 is a $5. So this is where the money's gonna be made on XRP. And I'll show you Vetcoin. So those are some basic price targets. There is some downside still, but a lot more upside than the downside. But due to where Bitcoin could head to the 24k, these things could still lose like a 50%, like 45 maybe, 50 at the most. But well, and this shows us how crypto's kind of looking too. XRP is actually a really nice coin. I really like it. But I have one coin I'll show you after Vetcoin. I've never really looked. I think I've seen Vetchain. I think that's what it's called. So this is kind of a triangle. It's about a break. So this could be a bull flag, but it's also considered a symmetrical triangle. Even though things are bull flags or bear pennants, they're all the same thing. It's a symmetrical triangle, and a symmetrical triangle usually breaks up or down. So I'll show you this. I'll show you scenario 1. Break up. This is if Bitcoin just fucking runs. We can see some crazy shit like that. Damn, these motherfuckers are ignoring me. So that's scenario 1. Scenario 2 is we have a little bit of a kind of like doop, 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 doop. So we could kind of see these scenarios, and the next price target's like we could see $1.85. That's $1.03, and that. So now let's check Vetchain. Vet USD. All right. That's bad. All right. I want to find one with more history. Oh, that had the history. It just didn't load. Oh, I'm so sorry. This thing's super slow. Hopefully this one has the history. Same price. That's a good sign. Oh yeah, so this one I've already did maybe some analysis on this one, which is nice because we could see my old analysis, see how it worked out. All right, cool. Oh no, this is auto Elliott working. The audio Elliott wave is working. So we've already had our 5 impulses up, and we're on the C wave right now. And I wouldn't exactly call this the next bull run. We realistically could just be in the next bull run, which I'd be. But okay, so actually looking at this is what we look for in Elliott waves. So based off Elliott wave, after price goes to wave 5, we always come back to the wave 1, which we're pretty close on it. So wave 1 is 35 cents. And we could double verify that with Fibonacci. Lowest price. Oh, there's probably just fine. So yeah, so we're actually below the 236 fib. That chain, I mean, there's still some room for it to drop, but not as much as other cryptos. This is actually looking pretty prime for long entries. Now the thing is, with cryptos, when they are at low points, they could sit into accumulation zones for weeks, months, days, or whatever. So it actually looks pretty bearish right now. It's under the EMA. This shorter term has a little bit of a double top. Looks like the candle body is going to make out a little bit bigger on the downside. But other than that, let's check out the price targets for the long term, because that's all that matters. Because crypto is one of those things that you don't want to like sell now while it's pretty low, unless you're already in profit or something, or not at much of a loss, and you don't mind maybe risking some of the money or risking like some of the profit. So the next 618 fib is 43 cents. Pretty nice. I thought it's at 43 cents. Oh, it's at 5 cents. Ooh, that's juicy profit. That's juicy. Let's look at that percent gain. About 700%. Yeah. So the next cycle will yield about, because each cycle of waves is about 1,000%. This one was about 2,000. Let's start from the wave one. Yeah, that's about 1,000. So this thing is, yeah, if this was the next bull run, it wouldn't have dropped where it dropped. It would have 1, 2, 3, came right here and then bounced. Instead, it dropped from the point it should have bounced. It dropped. So it looks like it's still in the bearish phase, which is perfectly fine, because once the bull run does start, it'll be very nice. Now this is one stock you're gonna want to get when it goes to these prices, if it does. Damn, Bitcoin is fucking going crazy right now. Not doing nothing. It broke the triangle. This was supposed to be an ascending triangle. It still is, but it broke to the downside. So even though triangles are supposed to do something, they could still fail. So this is Cardano. So we've already had our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're on the ABC. So this was an expanding B wave, or it was just the wave 5. So we're actually at the 236, but the price target we're expecting it to go based on the wave 1 structure of right here is actually like 40 cents. 40 cents is an absolute killer buy. And if you buy Cardano at like even 45 cents, you'll make a shitload of money. Like if you see Cardano at like 40 something, dude, just start loading up the boat and throw me a couple percent. I'm just kidding, but because Cardano will go to it will hit $5. Literally, it will go to $5. And that $5 will make a shitload of money. So $5 is that next target. You can see it's even perfect. Like it's like perfect. Like, oh, $5 sounds like a perfect price for something, and people are like, well, how does that, like, how does someone even get a price? Like, where does someone, like, $5 sounds like a perfect price for something, whether it's Cardano or something else. And it's like, well, where do people sometimes come up with these prices? A lot of the YouTubers that might be in the know. All right, this looks like it's on a breakout. I'll wait till I'm at 99,000 and I'll close it for the day. But what happened is they use Fibonacci. They might use Elliott waves. Like I'd say some of the bigger YouTubers use it. At the same time, a lot of them don't even know what it is, because about 1% of traders, including banks and hedge funds, they're part of the 1%. They use Elliott waves and they use astrology, because you could damn near time the markets. Now, honestly, Bitcoin looks like it's at a bottom based on my waves and everything, but at the same time, I like to listen to other people. But so Cardano will go to about $5, and then probably hit about like $10 on the next $8. So this is where you make a lot of money. Whoever buys Cardano at these prices. Other than that, that's Cardano. Now these are some cryptos that I have on a watch list. I don't know how to get to them. I think maybe right here. Cryptos. Oh, that's ADA. Where are the? Probably getting smacked right now. No. Dude, this is going crazy. Really shouldn't have entered more lots. I went in like 55% of the count, and at least it's not super volatile. If you have anything else you want me to look at, I don't mind. I want to try and see if I can find my watch list. I know how to do it on my phone, but a little bit different. Yeah. Why? Crazy. Dark color thing. Ah. This makes me mad. Not really. I don't even care. I mean, I do. This is supposed to set me up for life. This account will get me a 200k account and then straight. Check Bitcoin on a cleaner chart. Yeah, it looks like we're having a breakout here. Those buys were, yeah. Literally, I had projected it was going to go up to around here. Earlier in the video, I was saying, yeah, I'm gonna hold the buys till around here. Well, it eventually did hit that point, which sucks because I even said what was gonna happen. I said it's gonna go to here, but before it does, I'm gonna close these buys and buy shorts, and then it's gonna go there, and I'll smack myself. That's pretty funny. That kind of sucks. So we could see the wave structure like wave 1, wave 2. We could call this wave 3. This is a 1 minute. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 waves up right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 waves up there. A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That makes sense. So look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's why I should have been counting. Instead, I counted it after the fact. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we're having a breakout. I really feel like this trade's gonna go for it though. Rabbit hole. These charts. What is or? Yeah, I said that right when you joined. That's funny. See what happened? This is literally the #1 mistake I'd say I personally make, and a lot of people I know that make this. You say like, you have your analysis set. Well, there wasn't too much analysis besides the point I had said that's probably what's gonna happen based on that little gap thing right there. You say something and they go against what you say, and then you go wrong, and then you fail because you went against what you said. Like I literally said I was gonna close the buys, go short, and it's gonna go up. And sure enough, it's doing that. I'll risk 2% on this trade. I could do it. It just sucks that I didn't initially hold my short entries up there. Well, I mean, I still have them held, but it sucks I tried hedging. Like, I'm not someone who hedges properly, I don't think. Look up basic how to hedge. Hopefully those people said something. Damn, they're ignoring me. I'm sorry, man. This fate keeps turning up on lots of ratios and measurements I've looked at last day. So this is planetary action stuff, which is pretty awesome. But it's not gonna load properly because the internet's pretty booty, but alright. Let's open up the original. Let that load up. It looks like it should probably start dropping now. I really should be looking at. Yeah. I tried picking a chart that was less crazy. Alright, so I opened it already. So this is pretty much planetary. Oh god. Alright, hopefully you could hear me even better. This is like planetary stuff, so it's like Saturn conjunction, Mercury conjunction, the moon or something. Yeah. And here's their chart. We'll look at that in a second. This. So now I'm down 0.8%. That's not even bad though. Really not bad. Let's check out this chart. What is this? Bitcoin? Yeah, this is Bitcoin. Get a little bit of a gummy. Relax and fall asleep quickly. Some of this. It's got chamomile, valerian, lemon balm, and theanine, which is pretty much why I just feel super relaxed right now. Pretty calm. Been taking some of those. Yeah, I really should have snacked. I was thinking of it, but I didn't do it. That's so well. I always have that. Oh, I wish I should have, would have, could have. A lot of people are like that, and the other people mock you. Oh, shoulda, woulda, coulda, you know. Oh, it's. I don't know if you can see that clearly. I don't know how lag my. I don't know how long this live like lag. Yeah, I'm trying to see. Oh, this thing's pretty lagged. Oh, it's not laggy. Oh. Alright, well that's good. No, it's not laggy. But no, this is just actually pretty good stuff for you. It helps with GABA and the brain. Probably for anxiety as well. Now this stuff doesn't really make me fall asleep. I really should see what this is about. Smart email. Sadly, my mom's actually in jail right now. She attacked a firefighter. I probably shouldn't have said that, but it's a well. So now we're at like more of a top of the trend. And thanks for sticking around. No, it's not addictive. It's a chamomile. Here, I'll actually look it up for you and show you the benefits of some of this. Chamomile is like a tea, I think. And oatmeal. It's like a tea. I mean, I'm sure it could be anything can really be addictive. But no, it's not like an addictive. It reduces menstrual pain. That's pretty funny. Treating diabetes. Oh, okay. Slowing. I haven't looked up chamomile yet. Slowing or preventing osteoporosis, reducing inflammation, cancer treatment and prevention. That's pretty good. Helping with sleep and relaxation. Treating cold symptoms. Let me show you the other ones. So valerian, consecutive bull candles. Oh, this thing's still dropping. That sucks. So valerian, what does valerian? Is valerian root like Xanax? Probably not. I bought this at a grocery store, by the way. Probably looks bad now. Valerian benefits. It's good for like sometimes I have issues trying to sleep. Like I've been going to sleep at like 3 a.m. for a while, which sucks. They have to take every night, which is increases the amount of gamma amino acid GABA in the brain. As a neurotransmitter, GABA and inhibits unwanted nervous system activity. The increased level of GABA in the brain lead to falling asleep faster and experiencing better sleep. I actually have been getting pretty cool dreams lately because, oh no. Please tell me I'm alright. So what could actually be happening right now is FTMO. Oh no. I really hope I don't fail this account because of it. So it might just be frozen, I think. Sunday, I think I'm not able to trade on Sunday. So it's at 555. Okay, it's moving. I should probably look that up, but I don't really care. So the benefits is the GABA part. Actually, here I'll show you some other cool stuff I got. It's like just vitamins and stuff. Oh yeah, it's real difficult to fucking fall asleep. Got scoot in. Alright, it's oh, oh, you see that? That's a drop. I've ever seen one. So that's valerian. It helps sleep. I got this like yesterday. Alright, now lemon balm. Lemon balm high. I don't know, I was making sure it doesn't get you high or anything. I'm just kidding. But alright, this thing's dumping now. I was reading some Reddit, some people were saying it does, but lemon balm. Where lemon balm benefits? Like I got this it's like this mood relaxation thing and it helps you focus as well. And this thing contains it's just it has a valerian in it. It has a chamomile. It has the lemon balm as well. So it has everything a sleep one has, but It's more of like a relaxation thing. Yeah, look at this. This thing's dumping. Now it's bouncing. I really should just be trading these X's because that's where I really do good. These are just like points. But they also fail, so if I traded that one and that one, that would have been awesome. So that's Valerian. Now Lemon Balm benefits. I'll show you this. Pretty interesting stuff. It helps I don't know, like, believe it or not, I have my pilot's license and I'm working towards my instrument rating right now. And I just took my written test, an exam, and I passed it yesterday. I got like a 92% on it, and 70% is passing. So I was pretty stressed about it, and I was hoping to find some stuff. Like, I haven't even taken any of these things yet, and this is de-stress, relax. Like, I honestly just want to be more in like a relaxed mood. A member of the mint family is considered a calming herb. It was used for, like, I'm already a calm person, but I don't know, I just want to be more calm. Like, I don't like being super angsty, like, oh my gosh, so let's go do this and that. Like, because I've been having trouble falling asleep, so I want to, like, find a way to be, like, calm. Alright, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Ah. Yo, I'm glad I held my trades. But that would have been nice if I had, like, not fucked up and I'd be up 400 even. So Valerian reduces stress and anxiety. I don't even know if I really have stress or anxiety, but this is my biggest thing. It promotes sleep, improve appetite, and ease pain. And the other thing, lemon balm, valerian, and so I already looked at that. Now I've never seen jujube seed. Let's see what that is. Jujube seed benefits. Because I don't really like taking anything if I don't know what it does. Now this is looking like, I wouldn't say I should have closed right there because I think it might go lower. I'm really trying to hold this trade to 37,000, but right now I have a lot of lots on the line. I could have maybe started like taking some of them away. So let's go look at this. High in antioxidants, jujube fruits are rich in compounds such as blah 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 blah. Aids in weight loss. And all of the stuff I told you about is really good for mental health and brain function, like super good. Because a calm brain is pretty healthy. And a hyper brain is very healthy, I'd say, but when you're hyperactive, you go crazy, I guess. I don't know. I've always been told I had ADHD, but now we're back here. So maybe it's good I didn't do that, but I'm really trying to hold this trade till 37,000. I know that might not. Damn, I got 3 viewers. Thank you, everybody. Says I got 1 like. This is my best live stream in the world. And thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. I'm not too interesting right now. I'm honestly like too tired. Might take you around and show you how to cook an awesome hamburger. So it's been dropping right now. My shorts were up here. I shorted more at the bottom when I should have held the buys, but you know how it is. Alright, so let's look at this. I can zoom in. Alright, let's check this out for you. Let's see what they're talking about. So these are the Fibonacci points. Boop, 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 boop. Cycle top, cross above. I don't know what that means. Honestly, some of this stuff doesn't make too much sense. But Yeah, I mean I have a pretty hyper brain. All right, so you have an answer now. This is like kind of the same thing I was saying, but like I wasn't. I was just saying like it's kind of a complicated situation. Like it could be, you know what I'm saying? So this is what's up. Trying to work out the next week. All right, but yeah, hyperbrain is definitely a good thing. But I don't know. I used to be pretty hyper, but I mellowed out. So man, so this guy, all right, he has his own island. All right, his own island. So just think of that. He has his own island. He's staking like 100 million crypto. But he said, man, only cover to neutralize until I make a decision. Right now, it's a pretty difficult time to make a decision due to how everything is. Like, it's very, very complicated market. But at the same time, it's not complicated because it's as simple as looking at it like this. Well, that showed me an Elliott wave on there. That's pretty cool. It's as trying to work out the next week -2, see if there's something to hint at big drop or moon. Yeah, because right now it's kind of we're in that weird situation. We're in the middle of that situation. So right here, I'm actually thinking about closing some of these shorts. They're very nice, super nice. I definitely need to close some or just go long, so I don't. Oh, oh, I'm glad I didn't close them. All right, I don't want to close all. I want to close some of them though, like my ones that aren't really doing too hot. Can't spell definitely. You definitely. All right. I wanted to close some of these that were in profit because they're these ones. So I want to close some of these like this. I'm gonna secure some of that profit because I'm up 200 for the day, which is nice. That's like 0.2%. Oh, that's horrible. Hey, but I'm in the money, so that would give me some buffer room. Yeah, I don't know. Wait, how did I even spell it? Definitely. Yeah, wait, what? Definitely. Definite. Definite. Oh, Ellie. Definite Telly. Definitely. Ellie. Oh, that makes so much sense. I always fail at that. So I'm actually looking at maybe closing some of these positions more. But here's kind of like what's strange. We're in a range. Trading the range is okay, but right now we're in the middle of the ranges. And then also another way to tell that is we could use Fibonacci. The zero point 0.5 fib is right here, and that's exactly where we're at. The 0.5 fib is the ultimate decider of if we're going to bounce or are we going to dump. Because, yeah, I would try and show you some examples, but it's hard finding some examples. Let's close out some of these that are probably in profit now. I want to get that one out. I'll get this one out. Here we go. Here we go. So I want to get some like ones that are up there out to the less money there. There's an E. You're right. Definitely. Definitely. You don't need the E. It makes no sense. Why do you need an E? Stupid. I think it's gonna bounce a little bit right here, which I could go long, but honestly, I probably shouldn't. I should just hold my position till the 37,000 and stick with the plan, because I've pretty much nailed the top if this is the top. Alright, so this looks like a descending triangle, maybe. So, I mean, it's hard to tell right now, but I'm going off that descending triangle. If it breaks above that, or wicks above, that's fine. I definitely want to try it. Oh, man. Man. I don't know why you want to stay in here, moldy lunchbox. There's nothing interesting going on. Why are you sticking around? But I really appreciate it. So, this is the trend. Doom. And then here's some cyclicals. I'll show you. That's the problem with English, though. Words are pronounced differently than they are spelled. I started learning Russian. The best thing about it is that when you learn the alphabet, you'll be able to read Russian immediately. Even if you don't understand what you're reading, you'll be reading Russian properly. What? That's pretty cool. That's awesome, Moldy Lunchbox. I hate calling you Moldy Lunchbox, but it's okay. So I'm only up 150 per day, 0.1%. I'd probably be up like a whole percent, 2% if I nailed that top, which I did. But like if I held it. Yeah, it probably would have been a good decision. I was really thinking about just closing all. I did say that. But I also have conviction. I believe it will go lower. Like I'm really expecting a 37,000. Yeah, actually, let me show you this chart. This is what I'm expecting. Also, I want to have like 10,000 subscribers. You know what? Let me take one of these. Oh yeah, this thing has ashwagandha and ginseed. So let's look up what that is. Ashwagandha is like a super thing. Ashwagandha. So this is another one. Ooh, that tastes good. May help reduce stress and anxiety. May benefit athletic performance. May reduce some symptoms of some mental health conditions. Nice. May boost testosterone. Nice. Oh yeah, look at that. That thing sharded. Exercise performance, male and fertility, sleep. All right. That was ginseed. Ginseng. And this also has lemon balm in it, which is awesome. What is ginseed good for? And honestly, I haven't taken one of these, so I'll try this out. It says take 2. It's commonly touted for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Okay, I'm scared. What are we looking at? Boy, 420. We're at 237. Like all this work for just 237. Crazy to me. Absolutely crazy to me. Like usually I would be slinging lots left and right. So actually I'm gonna look at this and I think we're gonna have a bigger bounce. So let me show you this. So this is the cyclicals. We use this bottom to this bottom and you kind of get it here, but sometimes it just doesn't make sense. So this would be like a bigger cycle. Infertility. What is infertility? Oh, infertility? Oh no. That's not a benefit. Infertility. I don't even know what that is. Infertility. I'm so stupid. Inability to. Oh no. Oh no. Yeet. I'm just kidding. Wait. But how's that a benefit? Benefit, man. I don't know. It looks like it will cancel stress and cancer. That looks pretty good. Oh yeah. This thing dumping. Dump, drop, boom, da. All right. Oh man, yeah. Moldy Lunchbox. How did you come up with that name, Moldy Lunchbox? That's the biggest question here. How? Like how? Did you ever have like a moldy lunchbox growing up, or like what was it like? Dude, that's an odd name, you know, moldy lunchbox. But that's Ashwana. And then Gen Seed, I think is. Well, I'm pretty tired now. There was something I didn't know about. Oh yeah, this has lemon balm and ginseng. Ginseng. Oh yeah, I really need to be looking at this shit. I don't care about the bigger time. I'm looking at the 1 minute. So let's look at this. What's really, really nice is this. Alright. This is a sexy chart. Super sexy. Sexy smexy. Sexy schmexy. Sexy schmexy. Alright, now I could cancel this bad boy. Damn it. There we go. Canceled. You just got canceled. Account history. Profit. Alright, so now we're in profits. Dude, literally, I went with the trend. Okay, then I started trading against the trend. And of course, you're trading against the trend, you're going to be failing. You're going to just fail. The trend right now is bearish. It is bearish. I'm sorry. If you guys don't want to be bearish, it's bearish. But we're going to look at the cyclicals on the 1 minute. So we're going to take this bottom to this bottom. And as you can see, it's kind of accurate. But what you really need to do is take it from... I think it bounced right now. I kind of want to like close some of these. What? Oh, this. I was like, why am I down so low? I want to close some of the less in the money ones. And how many lots? 10 lots. 10 lots. We literally passed this account. So let's check this out. So, oh, look at these indicators. These are funny. I found some indicators. Oh, oh no, is it bouncing? Yeah, it looks like it's gonna bounce a little bit. Let's check the RSI. There's a bullish divergence right there. You know what? I want to hedge. So how am I gonna hedge? Well, I'm gonna buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my god. Damn it. Fuck. I just screwed up my profit. You saw that? I tried hedging. Now that gave me... Oh, how much did that give me? 18. Yeah, I don't want to be taking like big... I haven't taken any loss bigger than $30 though. So that's pretty nice. Now it could be a buy, but no, it's not. I'm not. Okay, that's the question everyone asks me. Well, I used to forget food in my lunchbox a lot. And as you can imagine, opening lunchbox to find gross, moldy food in it is something that's hard to forget. Hard to forget. So I made it my username on Steam because it was the only thing that pooped in my head when I was trying to come up with a username. Steam. You know, I haven't opened my Steam in a fat minute. Oh, look at that. That makes me fucking. Oh my god, I thought I saw 99. I was like, there's no way I'm up 99 right now. Here we go. Oh. Nah. Fail. 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 Fucking fail. I haven't opened up Steam in a fat minute. Honestly, if I didn't have any. Oh, you know what? That's crazy. Because, like, I had like 17 lots open right now. That would have been wild if I kept them open. I'd be up like 5. Let me think. Like, think of all like equations going through my head. I'd be I'd be up like $2,000 on this trade right now. Like $2,000. But nah, I had to close them. But I was being safe, you know, because I want to maybe hold this overnight, go to sleep, you know, go to sleep at night with this trade open. Looks like it could be a bounce. And I just lose all the profit. It's just, you know how it is. I bought right here. I bought right there. It's stupid. I know. Dude, like literally buy 39.4. I did close them out pretty fast. What games do you play on Steam? Moldy. Mold. 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 Shoulder. Shoulder. Mold. Mold. Well, I used to play GTA 5 and Left 4 Dead 2. Occasionally, Payday 2. Oh, that's pretty nice. I don't know what Payday is. I know the other ones. Okay, now is it bouncing or is it dropping? I think it's dropping. Sure. Yeah, sure. It's gonna probably make a triangle, I think. That makes no sense what I'm saying. We're shorting the top. Dude, I don't know why I didn't hold. Dude, that was a massive, massive move. Oh, this is super easy to see now. So look, we go up here, and guess what? We come back down here. Boy, if I had held those lots, that would be insane. So that would absolutely have been insane. That would have been uncalled for. I don't know, but I had to take some profit. So I have total sell. Oh, there's my lot size. Thank you everybody for who's watching. $17 divided by 2 is what, like 8? Yeah, that would like really pass the account. $7 to die. Well, you know what? I know a game. Yes, sir. Let's do it. You know, I'm actually pretty happy. I'm up 0.5% on this account so far. I used to play so I used to play some GTA. Obviously, I think everyone played. I really liked Black Ops. Currently, I don't play anything right now, but I used to play something called War Thunder, which was really fun, and also Battlefield 5. As you can see, is not even on my bar anymore. It's not even there. Oh, no. So, where is it? Honestly, Battlefield is it. Do you have any input? I feel like that's rude to say. I really like Battlefield 5. I play that here and there. I haven't played War Thunder in a while. Like, War Thunder is super fun. But I had that on Steam. And I don't even know. Oh, this is what I was playing. You know, I can't play that anyways. Good internet. Good internet. Look at this drop. That's massive. I literally shorted at here, bruh. Here, bruh. That would have been 70. Would have been a whole percent. Alright. Looking like it's gonna be a buy. But yeah, I like those games a lot. Oh yeah, I didn't get to show you those cool funny indicators I had found. Technical community scripts is what it was on. Trending. McDonald's pattern. You gotta look at this. Absolute must look. Absolute. Boing, boing. Super funny. A McDonald's indicator? Like, you gotta be shitting me. Ah. I have a really bad habit. I vape. Okay, I got some tweeters. No, that be moving. Oh, best friend. Hmm. So yeah, we're under the 0.5 fib. This is time for an absolute teardown. Dump. Oh, I have no clue what time frame it is used for. Let me actually. This isn't a bad indicator though. The only thing that's good about it is I'd say these things. So my friend made an algo, right? And it has the same thing almost. It has these pivot points. It has like bulls and bears. This is a bull. But the nice thing about this indicator is it shows hamburgers and then it shows like fries at the top. And my friend has bears at the top. Now this indicator is more accurate, I'd say. Oh no, it's jumping. It's jumping. Let me look at the what time frame. I want to see what people say about it. It's honestly doesn't seem like a bad indicator. I'll show you some really nice indicators to get. So trading, you asked. Oh, I see what it's saying. Yeah, so what's gonna happen? It's going boom, boom, and we're gonna see like 20k. It's gonna happen. A score is shown on the top right of the chart, aiming to turn how close. Okay. I always get worried when I'm not looking at it. So it doesn't really say what time frame it is used for. There's the code. Let's see what people said. Oh, okay. Yeah, by the time you miss move. That's kind of how my friends is with the Bulls and Bears. Oh, it's dumping. Oh, it's pumping. What? I just hate how this thing shows 329 and this shows 352. I don't know if this is ahead or if this is ahead. So I'll show you some really cool indicators. So one indicator you're gonna want to have is an indicator that shows divergences. If you don't know what a divergence is, you should really like learn them a little bit. I'll show you. Divergence. So divergences are when RSI might be rising and the price is dropping still. Yeah, I should have probably pulled when I was at 5, like a good 0.5%. Or bought, I don't know. Looks like it could dump from here. I don't know. I don't know anymore. So these are divergences. They're really nice. Okay, cool. You know about divergences. They're very beneficial. But if you don't have an RSI that also shows you the divergences, I definitely pick one of those up. You could just find one. Also have that EMA. That EMA is awesome. When it's above, it's good. When it's below, it's boo. And there's also this TTM squeeze indicator. I really don't use much, but I just have it. Okay, now it's bouncing. But yeah, that's really all you need to know. It looks like we're gonna have another drop. just based off of here. Now I could update this, update my cycles from this low to this low. Alright. So yeah, my friend is right. Right now is a pretty shitty time to be trading. Shitcoins probably going to have exaggerated moves because they have less liquidity. But the real market moves happens during trading hours. Yeah, if you look at a trade that if you look at the trades, if you look at the weekend's range, last 2 weeks have been totally shit. Tight, restricted. Then Monday, New York session. Within 10 minutes, I've done 2x the range it spent the whole weekend in. This is tradable, don't get me wrong, compared to the other markets. Those percent within a few hours. Probably just going to grind out sideways for a while. I agree, honest. I do think it could be sideways. Oh, I should have been taking some trade, like selling some stuff down there. But if we look, we have a little 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another 5. Let's go. Pump to a 5, just like these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. Kind of like Elliott waves. Well, it is Elliott waves. So that's 1 minute. Let's get this on here. So I really like this. Look, that's like a head, shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We know that's the top. What are those half circles? Okay, these half circles are cyclical cycles, time cycles. So time cycles are also used in like Hurst cycles, and it can like kind of gauge where a trough and a peak will be, like a bottom point and then a top point based on the cycles. So if we do this, maybe from this bottom to this bottom, we could see this next bottom, maybe that's a bottom and then this is a bottom and that was a bottom, and now we have a peak. Like this is the peak, as I went from bottom to bottom. But yeah, this ain't looking too good. So here, I'll try this out because this is actually chartable. So I usually don't chart smaller time frame, but I really should. So we had 5 waves up. We had 5 waves down. We had another 5 waves up. And we're gonna have another 5 waves down, hopefully, right? I don't know. I don't know. So hopefully that works out for me. I don't know. Yeah, we're definitely in one of those time periods where it's like we don't really know exactly. I mean, kind of do, but it's like it's just so iffy right now with how the structure of the market is right now. It's pretty ugly, very ugly. Now this actually looks super clean. What I just did here, this was super clean. Let's watch this into play. Yes, sir. Let's watch this go into play because I am a genie when it comes to this shit. Are you a? I have a feeling you're a female trader. Is that true, Moldy Lunchbox? You're. Or are you a male? I don't know. I'm just saying that based on. I don't know. I could be wrong. But let's watch this go into play. And also, I want to have the Fibonacci set up, but I don't know where to set it up. So what we're gonna do is set it up. Actually, why am I set? I need to set it up based on the previous like 4 hours, kind of. Oh, do you know what Fibonacci is? Yeah, based on the profile picture. You're a male. Oh, I just saw the pink. You know, I like pink though. Pink is one of my favorite colors. It's like pretty bright and stuff. But yeah, based on the profile picture, I was profiling you. I'm sorry. All right, so let's check this out. Oh she's coming down. So let's charge her out. I feel good. All right, so we're gonna come right here to right here. Oh yeah, look at that, dude. I had shorts right here. Yeah, let me see. I didn't. 39.60. I did not have shorts right there. What? I had shorts at the top. I mean, I know I would. I just know I would anyways. I literally shorted that top. 39.60. Ha. That's crazy. But then I shorted right here. Man, that's crazy. That's actually wild. So, based on this, I expect price to come back down to 38.8. So this is a target zone. But this is another target zone. The 0.5 fib. That's, or we could bounce from the 0.5 or from the 618. The 618's right here. Yeah, I really shouldn't be trading this garbage. Yeah, let's just make it even. So it's like boom, boom, boom. So those are my current price targets. See how the short is gone. Ah. Ooh. But yeah, there's also these things. I need to unbutton my pants. I'm getting chubby. Alright. So I forget what these are called. They're counts. Forgot what they forgot how to explain them. Well, not explain them, but let's get this open. Hopefully it drops like this. Yeah, this is a 786 perfect. It bounced up to it. It's under it. And it's gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I hope you didn't leave, Moldy Lunchbox. I was surprised there's 3 people though. I made you leave. I'm sorry. But whoever is watching, oh, they're back on. All right, so this analysis is going pretty well actually. So we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's coming back down a little bit. My friend had texted me. So these are like things. Usually 6s, 3s, and 9s are when they stop. So we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candlesticks. What? Heck nah. I'm still here, though. That's crazy. There's 2, 3 people actually watching me. This is a continuous signature. Yeah. It's really slow. Alright, Moldy Lunchbox. What time? It's only 11 o'clock right now at night. I mean, I probably won't go to bed till later, but like, what time should I end the live stream? You're the one who rules when I end it. I'm gonna take another one of these things. Pretty tasty. I like sugar. You're the one who. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Almost up 1% this whole day. Okay, actually, let's look at this. Cool. So I'm expecting it to drop to the 618, kind of, and we're kind of right in par. You see, we're using these cyclical cycles, these half circles, which is really nice. Or we could do sine waves, which is like this. Not that. These sine waves, which are really cool. Okay, yeah, I'm fucking around too much. I need to get ready to sell this junk. To close some of them. Damn, I don't want to close them now. Damn, that's a big bounce. So these cyclical waves are pretty nice when you set them up nicely. As you can see, it showed me kind of like the next trough, the next bottom. So this might have already we might have already hit the wave 5 on the bottom, and now it's gonna be bullish. But right when I buy long, it's gonna just drop. So let's imagine I buy long. There it goes, it dropped. That's where I am here, so the sooner the end is the sooner I go to sleep. Oh no, man. It's 4 a.m. for you and you're watching me, man? That's love. That's love. But, man, you should really get some sleep. Oh man, I feel bad. Well, I'm about to close these trades. So, I'm gonna close these trades when this thing hits, when I get back to like 700 or something, which should be very soon. Look at that. Don't worry, I'm going to close them. And then when I close them, I'm going to leave, I think I'll just leave one or the 2 at the 36. And then I'll give it a night. Hidden Bear just printed on the last 3-hour ETH dildo. I don't know what dildo means. Maybe. Alright, so we're going to slowly start closing them. These are pretty nice. I mean, I'm happy with 0.7%. I'm happy with that. But now these trades, the 39.6. Oh my god! Oh my god! And I had them bitches. I just had sold my fucking shit for nothing. But bruh, I would be at like, dude, if I had never closed my lots, if I had never closed them, yeah, it hit the 0.6 fib, the 0.618, and dumped. Now it's going to the 0.5, it dumped. It's still dumping. Boy, I'm pissed. I'm so pissed right now. Those half circles are bullshit. You think so? Or is that joke? I mean, look at how OP they are. That's pretty OP. That's OP as fuck. Yeah. That's OP as shit, man. I gotta snip this bitch. I gotta give it a little snip. Like, if you mean bullshit, like, do you mean like they work, or is it like, them bitches are bullshit, man? I can't believe that shit. Nah, this shit crazy. This shit crazy. Man, that was fucking wild, bro. I had, like, man, the account would be like I mean, I'm up 1.2% though. That's amazing. Where is that picture? Where is that picture? Do I have to make another one? Save. 500. Yeah, they were, man. That's wild. Them circles are awesome. I'm looking for 500. Hidden Bear just printed on 3 hour. My friend made 2,400 on this trade. Nice. 3,200. Trash for AO Mega. Motherfucker, I got rid of my shorts and left like 3 lots. Taking a short hedge on Def A Perp was the best thing I did all last week. Last minute better. 1.3 was it. I'm not gonna let it go. Don't care. Yeah, them fucking half circles insane, bro. They're insane. These cyclical. I think these half circles do something, I should say. I gotta snip this though. Alright. Don't worry, I'm about to end the live stream. Just gotta send this to. Yeah, I should have looked at these half circles and was like, wait till it gets into that middle zone. I thought that was good enough. Man, that was wild, wasn't that? Yeah, I didn't really wait for that confirmation, man. I kind of like just sold. I was like, well, I'm gonna start slowly securing like a little bit of a sell. Now, the way this thing works is it's gonna probably go back up. So you see how the thing was green up here, and then it turned green down here. Now this is the entry area, and then the confirmation for this fib fan is. But yeah, I didn't wait for the confirmation like on these things and like literally I said it would go to the 618 fib, and I was saying I wanted to wait to the .5 fib. It hit that .5 fib. Wait, no. Before all that, I had this right when I put the fib, level, I had this rectangle set. Remember, I had this rectangle set, and I'm gonna wait till this rectangle gets hit. I said that. I even put this rectangle here, and sure enough, look at that. Look how crazy that is. Isn't that freaking wild? And I'm glad I didn't just buy along. It literally touched the 236. Like, these were my 3 targets. Boing, boing, boing. It hit the 236 target. Like, freaking insane. Like, but it hit it in 2 minutes. It hit all my targets. That's just wild. But, like, literally, I said it'll go bling. I think I'm getting decent at this stuff. But I hope you have a good night, Molly Lunchbox. You got work tomorrow or something? Seems like you gotta do something. You know what it could 39. Yeah, do you have like a Publix or like some place? Oh yeah, the actual tea. Like, this isn't a tea, but the actual tea, camellia tea, is like one of the best teas for sleep. It really is. I agree, and it helps you go to sleep. But one way you could really go to sleep is like schedule yourself. Turn your phone off, put your alarm on for the morning or whatever you need to do for the morning, and just throw your phone like somewhere where you're not going to touch it when you're in bed. When you're in bed, just go to sleep. But I'm going to probably end this live stream with me like absolutely winning for the day. Like, this was a very good, like, this was good. I can't complain. I can't complain with 1.1%, but what I can complain about is my failure to execute when I had planned to execute. That looks like sun rays. Sun rays. This? It's a Fibonacci fan. Fib fan. So this one is an actual algo. My friend, this is an out. So you can draw them wherever, but do you trade on MT4? That'd be pretty cool if you do MT4 trading and binary options. This was absolutely insanely charged. Like I actually, this thing looks super clean. I'm proud of myself. Just on Binance. Binance is pretty nice. I honestly I have a Coinbase, a Binance, a Kraken, KuCoin, a Coin Ami, and a Voyager. I first started off with Voyager. I got a Coinbase to transfer some like XRP out or something, and I got a Binance and then Kraken. I definitely would say like Kraken and KuCoin are my top two favorite. Um, this is KuCoin. It's pretty badass, I think. You've never heard of KuCoin. So 1.13. Oh yeah, that was a 1.13 fib. My friend's got the same fib level as me, but I doubt 1.13 gets hit again. What was this fib based on? Oh, I'm not too sure what I based this fib on. Oh, yo, my friend did the same thing I did. Holy shit, look at that. That's crazy. So, based it on that. And yeah, so this is what like KuCoin looks like. I like something like this. It's pretty cool. But now, what's interesting about it is, I mean, you got like 500 things, and it shows you like charts like this. And yeah, I don't really have any money in crypto right now. I'm broke. But I'm gonna end the stream here so you could get some sleep, bro. Much love. Thanks for watching. Let me go on the YouTube. I got scratched my ding eye. Okay, bro. I'ma hit the hay. Okay, bro. Hit the hay. Alright, man. Alright, I'm gonna add you on the Discord. Friends, yeah. Pending. Morty Lunchbox. Oh, you a stoner, dude? No, no, you're not. I thought that was like, you had locks, like dreadlocks. I can't see. Mr. Hit block. Just kidding. Get some sleep. Peace out. Alright, man. You have a good night. Thanks everybody who watched this live stream. Target's been hit. Peace.